It's been a hot minute. Woohoo! Hello, welcome. It's FriDiary. If you don't know what FriDiary is, I just take my week and I smash it into like a 10-minute segment. And that's what this is. It was originally, I think, coined by Grace Helbig way back in the earlier days of blogging in the internet. I really like it as a format because it kind of simplifies the week and shows you what I got up to. It's a little bit too long form to chuck over on my other platforms. Like and comment and subscribe and ring that bell and whatever all the YouTubers say if you enjoyed it so that I know to make more. All right, here we go. Here's what we did on Saturday. Bitch, please. Three boys building a dirt bike jump. I love the beach, but I don't love it as much as Steve loves the beach. He would be here every second of every day if he could. I mean...
Okay.
I want to do it again.
Hi, like we're at the bottom of a hole, I think. Okay. Oh, hey, Elliot. Where'd your legs go?
I don't want to get out.
Here's my next murder victim. Guys, we've even killed the fake flowers. It's still full of water. Look at this. Oh, I can wash them probably. But even the green's faded. That's a different level of green thumb. Boom, check out this damage. This path of destruction. Why wait 2 minutes for help when you could drag it across yourself and make a giant mess? Get it right, proper dirty. Already dying. And now it's Sunday. So we tried to go thrift shopping. None of them are open on a Sunday in Maroochydore. This is very much a how much do you love me today moment. Oh my goodness. He's a good man. And this is Monday. Okay, school drop is done. Everyone breathe a sigh of relief. I'm going to go walk the dog and then I have a meeting with Alex. Alex is my lovely manager who deals with this stuff. Hopefully get my head around a couple of things and then I guess I'll go on to making some content. Say hi to Alex, everyone. Hi. Oh, you're on an angle. That was such a good phone call. Really big deep dive into kind of what my plans are and things like that. My head is full, it's bursting, but it's also a bit clear. Now I have to go get, whoa, settle down. I have to go get my daughter who's sick at school, so and then this happened. Going to the movies to see Jurassic Park. She's pretty, she's pretty, she's pretty.
You know what?
It was what I expected. Let's give it 5 out of 10. I mean, at what point do they just stop messing with dinosaurs? And then on Wednesday, I was at a school all day, so I didn't film anything because I'm not about putting other people's children on the internet. Now it's today and I'm editing this. Mind blown. I always think it's like super important to stay there, like peacefully. It's too early for this. Super exciting. Next project. Offered to help him unload it, but he said, no, you look too nice to help. And I was like, sir, thank you. All right, take 2 at thrift shopping. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so I'm looking for just like clear glass bottles that are pretty. That's it. Oh my goodness, how nice is this? Totally sidetracked. It's gorgeous. a bit of a fail whale. Yeah, they're just really overpriced for what they are. Like, they want $10 for a little glass bottle. And I mean, some of them have like dusk on the side, so clearly they're like just the old Reed diffuser things. I mean, I hate that it's cheaper to buy new. All right, I just had a look online and the plan is to just get them online from somewhere else. I tried to thrift, okay? I tried to do the right thing. I'm just waiting for school pickup. The best thing about school pickup at my kids' school is I don't get reception or much reception, so I cannot doom scroll and I have to do work. And sometimes it is the best productivity thing to just come 20 minutes early, shut myself in the car and just make myself do some work. And that's it. We are done. It is Friday again. And so I guess I start filming for next week now. Is this how this goes? Is this how my life is now? Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you next week. Bye.